Attention network marketers, affiliate marketers, digital marketers, anyone trying to exit the 9 to 5 and not work until they're 70 and retire on 40% of what's not enough now. So can I show you how to start making $500, $1,500, $3,500, and even $5,000 using this one simple page, 100% commission system or more? If you're interested, you want to stay till the end of this video. Okay, so first I'm going to do is go to actual proof, and I'll be right back. Okay, so as you can see, I am in the incognito mode. That means you're getting real results, and you can do the research for yourself. But I'm going to search this keyword, right? And look, well, the short videos seem to disappear, but here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5 of 6, all on the first page of Google. Okay, but when you go to short videos, I'm sure you're going to see me too. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 videos on shorts, and those are the first part. Before I end this video, I'm going to go to the YouTube results. But so as you can see, I am ranking on Google for this term. And this is not an anomaly. You can do this for any business, okay? But more importantly, you can earn $500, $1,500, $3,500, or $5,000 with this commission system. And instead of earning measly 50-cent or even maybe $20 commissions that can pay for maybe burgers or a combo meal, you can earn 100% commissions or more. Okay? So stay to the end of this video. Now, how would you like to never pick up the phone? Yes, we handle all the customer support and questions for you so you can relax and wake up to $5,000 direct commissions over and over. The whole goal of the high-ticket lifestyle is to get paid on complete autopilot, creating your financial freedom while we do all the hard work selling, telling, coaching, and duplication for you. If you have any questions, please call support and let your sponsor relax. Imagine our team closing massive big-ticket commissions for you. How awesome is that? And now, as you can see, they call this number, they listen to the 3-minute recording, and then they leave a message, okay? And then the owner of the company will call them back, okay? Let your sponsor relax. 100% automated commissions to whatever payment processor you want. You want to be paid in money orders? Fine. You want to be paid in Bitcoin? Fine. You want to be paid in PayPal, Cash App, Venmo, etc.? Fine. You set it up. I have like 8 different payment methods myself. So, what is the key to all this? This is the type of thing you'll learn, the training, elite training you'll learn in the high-ticket lifestyle, which is also to rank any video for no matter what company it is, okay? And how to get paid, how to grow your Bitcoin, okay? So, the high-ticket lifestyle team bonuses, 3 secret payouts. Now, what am I doing here? This is called blogging, okay? It's a slept-on system. Never stop working, but people stop working it. So, in 2026 and beyond, the search engines are smart. I'm sure you've gone on Facebook and after you've just been searched for something on Google, and on Facebook, now they start showing you the ads, for example. I'm just using Facebook as an example, but they start showing you ads for the exact product you were searching for. Okay? They're listening to what you're saying, and they're looking at what, watching what you type, okay? So why wouldn't I do one-time work and get multiple results from it? Especially when you saw the ranking proof, okay? The short videos and all, okay? Here's the shorts, and then 5 of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, actually 7. 7 out of 9, okay, on the first page of Google, okay? Now, that's great for me, right? That's what you're probably thinking, but you can do it too, okay? Now, look at the screen right now and realize something very clearly. You're being lied to by broke affiliate marketers who want you to stay small, stay comfortable, and stay broke. Who wants to stay broke, okay? They have conditioned you to chase tiny, miserable $20 residual checks or passive checks on rented social media land while they control the real keys to the vault. It is a mathematical trap designed to keep you running on a digital treadmill until your legs give out. If you already stop playing sandbox games with your financial future, you need to claim your leverage right now. Digital marketing veteran John Solly, that's me, built the ultimate answer engine optimization framework to destroy this exact corporate loop. John Solly is a digital marketing veteran specialized in SEO, search engine optimization, answer engine optimization, and generative engine optimization marketing infrastructure. We completely wipe away the generic noise today. Let's look at the raw mechanics of how money made on the owned land of the internet, not rented lands like social media. Okay. The high-ticket lifestyle team bonuses, high-ticket affiliate marketing, and I think I didn't show you this. I want to show you this real quick. Okay. Right here, give me a second, right here. Get upgraded to the next qualified level and earn bigger 100% commissions, okay? This is our elite bonus, okay? Now, yes, when you decide to take action before the timer runs out, you will be rewarded with the next level of qualification. Now, join at the 500 level, you get no upgrade, okay? That's just the way it works, okay? Join at the 1500 level, get qualified at the $3,500 level. So, if you've paid $1,500, the $3,500 is 230% ROI. Okay, can you imagine? You paid $1,500 one time, you took action because you're an action taker, right? And you got $3,500 back. Okay, that would be amazing. That could be life changing, and that's only one commission. Imagine if you could do that multiple, like 2 times a month. Okay, now it's 500, 1,500, 3,500, or even 5,000. Now, if somebody is at the $5,000 level and you start at the $1,500 and you took action, that's $3,500, okay? But usually it passes up to the next person. But imagine, because you don't have to imagine actually, we do it, that's what this system is about. You get $3,500 of that, okay? And the other $1,500 passes up. Okay, are you starting to see the power of this? Now, join the $1,500 level, get qualified at the $3,500 level. You get the $3,500 commission bump. You don't get the training for the $3,500 level. You get the commission bump. Okay, so then you can get paid at $1,500 or $3,500. Join at the $3,500 level. Get qualified at the $5,000 level. Now notice that all these are the same. Okay, if you $3,500, you're qualified for the $1,500 and the $5,000. You're qualified for the $15,000. You're qualified, and you get the bonus. You're qualified for $5,000, $15,000, and $3,500. Okay, now look. $3,500 level, you took action. You're now joined the you're qualified at the $5,000 level. Now at the join the $5,000 level, you get an epic $100,000 bonus. Okay, again, this is only within 48 hours. Now the $100,000 diamond level bonus is the Bitcoin Boss Roundtable. Get access to Justin Temple's personal day trading chat and daily market analysis and copy paste trades right when Justin makes market moves. Okay, and these are 90% commission. Trades. He's not going to tell you to trade when it's dangerous to trade. Okay, he'll tell you to trade when it's safe. Okay, whether there's money to be made that day or not, whether it's up or down, you can win. Okay, so go back to this post. This is not a business. This is that is a digital hobby. I know exactly how exhausting that trap is because I used to ride the regional transit buses in Reno, staring at my phone, trying to scrape together change from dead-end affiliate setups that paid pennies. Excuse me, I'm sick right now. I was working myself, but I gotta work. I gotta make that money. It's worth it. My future self will thank you. Just like your future self will thank you for watching this video and taking action. I was working myself to the bone following the generic scripts of corporate gurus until I finally realized that true high-ticket affiliate marketing isn't about pitching products to skeptical strangers. It is about deploying a sovereign engine that filters out the tire kickers and brings out the serious players straight to your door. When you back your play with a real-life, high-leverage digital framework, everything changes. You stop trading your time for pennies and you start making real money where the actual wealth drops. The difference between the broke crowd and the elite digital architects is simple. The elite do not rely on luck. They build on solid foundation lines, leverage proven authority setups, and install high-converting assets that work for them 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Before you need to read another line, take your first step towards real equity and secure your position by checking out our 14-day. That's not. Never mind that. Okay, I haven't released that yet. It will be released, but it isn't yet. The high ticket lifestyle team bonuses. Make money online fast. Let's talk about the exact math that the Guru Network desperately tries to hide from your view. They want you to believe that you have to sit around and wait years before you can see legitimate return on your investment. That is a lie engineered to keep you paying a monthly subscription fee while they live off your consistency. The reality is that if you understand how to align your system correctly from day one, you unlock a massive 233 ROI upgrade bump the moment a premium strike lands in your pipeline. Think about how clean the math is. Instead of chasing 100 different people to scrape together a basic income, a single high-ticket transaction drops an immediate multi-$1,000 strike hit straight into your control. Again, to direct commissions, okay? 100% or more. This isn't theoretical corporate theory. This is real uncompromised infrastructure. When you're leveraging an elite team framework, you aren't out here trying to figure out the traffic code on your own. You step directly into a working vehicle that is already engineered to convert cold discovery traffic into actual liquid equity. You can review our complete Home Business Academy review to see exactly how the residual commission, this is not residual, this is passive, commission models connect with high-ticket systems. The high-ticket lifestyle team bonus is 100% commission system. The greatest asset you can ever own is the digital space's uncompromised leverage. When you build your business inside a 100% commission system, you are no longer giving away the lion's share of your hard work to a corporate middleman who doesn't even know your name. Every single ounce of energy you inject into your engine returns a direct, unmitigated payout straight to your pocket. But it gets deeper. To truly protect your inventory and build lasting wealth, you need a mechanism that shields your hard work from bad positioning. Now, I already showed you how I searched for this term, right? And you can see 1, 2, 3, 4 shorts right at the top, right? The number one shorts, okay? Followed by, look at this, the high ticket lifestyle review. I'm sure if you hit board search videos, you'll see more of me, okay? Again, incognito mode, you can do this research yourself. The high ticket lifestyle review, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on YouTube. 1, my blog, okay? Then Instagram post, and then 2 others that weren't mine. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 first page rankings, okay? But I promised you YouTube results, right? So I'm going to search for this right here in real time. And then you see 1, 2, 3 different, 2, well, there's postcard lifestyle. So 2 out of 3, okay? There's a postcard lifestyle. There's another. There's my whole playlist, right? There's postcard lifestyle, and there's another video for me, another video, and a video that hasn't even premiered yet, right? Premieres 5/21, so 2 days from now, okay? How amazing is that? But wouldn't you like to do it, okay? Wouldn't you like to learn the secrets like this that other gurus are afraid to teach you? They're either afraid or they don't know how to do it, okay? See how I'm not signed in? These are real results, okay? Let me explain these bonuses real quick. They're very powerful, okay? Again, join the 500 level, get no upgrade, okay? Join the 1500 level, get qualified at the $3,500 level commissions, okay? Commission bump within 48 hours because you're an action taker, right? Let's see if I can actually see my face. Yeah. Join the 3,500 level, get qualified at the 5,000 level. Join the 5,000 level, get epic $100,000 bonus. Okay. When you decide to get upgraded to the next qualified level and earn bigger. See, there's a timer going. You have 47 hours, 53 minutes, and 12 seconds. So you always know how much time. Okay. So $1,500 level is the sweet spot. Okay. 230% ROI. How amazing could that be, okay? And again, 100% automated commissions. Let your sponsor relax. Leverage our 100% free call center so you can start earning big. We make it easy for you. Questions, call 1-800-771-0769. Never pick up the phone. Yes, we handle all the customer support and questions for you so you can relax and wake up to $5,000 direct commissions, or $500 or $1,500 or even $3,500, depending on what you're qualified for. Over and over. The whole goal of the high ticket lifestyle is to get paid on complete autopilot, creating your financial freedom while you do all the hard work, selling, telling, coaching, and duplication for you. If you have questions, please call the support and let the sponsor relax. Imagine our team codes massive big ticket commissions for you. How awesome is that? Again, this was the high ticket lifestyle team bonuses, three secret payouts. And I'm JJ Solly, aka John Solly, aka your friendly neighborhood Solly man. Don't delay, get with JJ today, and I'll see you in the next part 2 of this section. Peace.